Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and very delicious chicken curry, and it's called Pyaza chicken curry, and Pyaz means onions. This chicken recipe we use two types of Pyaz, two types of onion at different interval. It can be any color. I'm using red color. One onion, we chop it into cube size pieces that we use it at end of the chicken curry is done. One we use for tadka, which is diced onion. It's very tasty and very delicious, and without wasting any time, let's get started with the ingredient. 5-pound chicken drumstick. I have taken out the skin, I washed it, I made a couple of cuts on each drumstick. The whole reason I'm doing it, when we're going to eat the chicken drumstick, the curry going to blend in, the masala going to blend in, and it's going to taste really well. So if you never done this one, please try it. 1 diced onion, 2 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tomato. I put it into the food processor and I make a smooth puree, and 1/2 cup vegetable oil for tadka. And the first step for the marination, we're going to use 1 cup homemade dahi yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons salt is always to taste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder. When the chicken curry is going to be done, we're going to use a garam masala, 2 teaspoon, dry mint, 1 teaspoon, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, and cilantro onion cut into small cube size pieces, 1 cup heavy cream. And let's start marinating the chicken. Get a mixing bowl and we're going to bring dahi, red chili powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, and we're going to mix it well. This is going to be our marination. Once it's nicely mixed, I'll bring chicken. We're going to mix it well. So this is our marination. The longer the better. I'm going to marinate only the time we're cooking our tadka. And let's start making our delicious tadka. Get a big kadai and I'm going to start gas. We're going to keep gas on high. Bring vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed, jeera. Mix it. So now we'll bring ginger garlic paste. And we're going to cook like 20 seconds. We don't want to cook over. We just want that garlicky flavor to go away. And now I'll bring the onion. Mix it well. And now we're going to cook until it's nicely translucent. Cooking our onion for 5 minutes. It's nicely brown. I'll bring tomato puree. And we're going to mix it well. Now we're going to bring our gas on the medium. After mixing it well, cover with the lid on medium gas. We're going to cook for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes. I'll open the lid. Tadka is nicely cooked. And the tomato is also nicely cooked. Now I'll bring chicken. Mix it well. We're going to keep the gas medium. Once it's nicely mixed with the tadka, we're going to cook for 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and going to stir it. The whole reason we're going to stir it a couple times so it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking for 15 minutes, opened it once and I stir it. Mix it well. This is looking very delicious. And now we'll bring garam masala, green chili, mix it. Once garam masala is nicely combined with the chicken, we're going to cover the lid and we're going to cook for 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes of cooking with the closed lid. Mix it. Our chicken is nicely cooked, and now I'll bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3. I'll bring dry mint, pudina and onion. Mix it well. Once the mint and onions are nicely combined, now I'm going to bring kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is always a good idea to put between both hands, rub it on the palm. The whole reason we're doing it, sometimes there are big strands. You can take it out. So this is looking good. We're going to sprinkle all over and we're going to give a mix. On medium-low gas, cover with the lid, we'll cook it for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking. Now I'm going to bring cream. Mix it well. Our chicken is fully cooked. Once it's nicely combined, on medium-low gas, we're going to cover with the lid again and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes cooking. I'll open it. Mix it. Chicken is fully cooked. And the last ingredient we're going to bring, cilantro. And I will bring the gas on high. Mix it well. Our chicken do pyaza is all ready. Please try it, and it's very tasty and very delicious. You can serve with roti, chapati, naan, fulka, paratha, and best of all, it's suited with rice pulao. And I'm going to turn off the gas. Please try it and comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.